In the summer of '83, all I thought of was you and me, girl. You were the one, and I was sure of it. Making love in the river, naked and everything. But then you left for school, and I went to war. I lost my arms and legs, and you became a stripper. And when I came back, you were waiting there by the old oak tree, with fucking wind in your hair. Let the rain fall down upon my face, wash the tears away, dream of another day, making love in my van, just holding hands with you. I want you back, girl, but what the hell can I do?
Remember shooting in the backyard with my brother Bobby. Little did we know our lives would change forever. Where did the magic go? I fucking saw you go. Then Bobby died. Nothing you did could keep me from crying. Then I found my dead dog. Daddy said run away. America is still the best. In a love you test. I fucking love you. Let the rain
upon my face, wash the tears away, dream of another day, making love in my van, just holding hands with you. I want you back, girl, but what the hell can I do? What the hell can I do? What the hell can I do? I got no arms and legs, but I fucking love you. I fucking love you. What the hell can I do? I just want to show you how much I love you.
you can